Most organizations have now realized the importance of data-driven decision making. In recent years, data science has become inextricable from day-to-day operations. In this video, we are going to talk about roles of different kinds of data scientists. In brief, a data scientist should be very strong in any or all of the following skills. They must have a really strong business acumen, strong statistical reasoning, a working knowledge of machine learning and coding in either R or Python or both. For instance, a person with a strong statistical background can become a data scientist while acquiring substantial skills in coding and business. As a data scientist, you will basically be responsible for jobs that span three domains of skills: statistical reasoning, business communication, or leadership and programming. You will often be tasked with leading data science projects from end to end. So, a data scientist is basically a webmaster who not only needs to be the jack of all trades but also a master of at least one of these fields. This is probably the reason why data scientists can be broadly classified into two main categories. One is product-based data science. This basically involves analyzing the analyzers, and two, you have the business intelligence side of data science. These are the ones which represent the business side and are responsible for making vital decisions through data analytics techniques. There are a few categories in each of them which we shall be discussing in detail right after this. So, let's start with the data researcher. Professionals in this category come from the academic world and have in-depth backgrounds in statistics or the physical and social sciences. This type of data scientist often holds a PhD but is weakly skilled in machine learning, programming, or business. Next, we have data developer. These guys tend to concentrate on the technical issues that come with handling data. They are strong in programming in R or Python and machine learning, but weak in business and statistical skills. Next, we have data creatives. These are the guys who make something innovative out of mountains and mountains of data. They are strongly skilled in machine learning, big data, programming, and other skills to handle massive amounts of data. Next, we have data business people. They represent a business side and are responsible for making wider business decisions through data analytics techniques. They are an eclectic blend of business and technical proficiency. Let's now talk about BI-based business data scientists. First of all, we have quantitative or exploratory data scientists. These are the ones that are inclined to have PhDs and use theory to comprehend behavior by combining theory and exploratory research. These scientists improve products. Next, we have operational data scientists. Operational data scientists frequently work in finance, sales, or operational teams. Their role is to analyze performance, responses, and behavior of a process to basically improve an organization's strategy and efficiency. Next, we have product data scientists. Product data scientists fit into the product management or engineering form of data science. Their job is to sift through logs and analysis tools to understand the way users make use of a product and make use of that knowledge to fine-tune this product. Next, marketing data scientists focus on the user base. They evaluate performance and work on improving efficiency, pretty much like the standard marketing guy, but in data science. Finally, we have the research data scientists. These data scientists create insights from a dataset. It's rare for startup companies to employ research scientists because the output is not tied to the profits, but large companies, think tanks, and financial institutions definitely have a spot for these data scientists. So, conclusion, this classification shows that any bunch of people can be put in any one category and the right type of data scientist can be chosen based on the organization's requirement.